This batch looks clean.
Yeah, the fiber quality is excellent.
The cleaned cotton fibers enter massive mixing tanks filled with purified water. High-speed industrial mixers break the fibers into a smooth cotton pulp mixture. The cotton pulp spreads across giant paper-making machines. Water is removed as strong fibers bond together. Special machines embed hidden watermarks inside the cotton-based currency paper. Ultra-thin security threads are placed permanently within each. Massive intaglio printing machines press engraved designs and portraits onto each currency sheet. Extreme pressure creates the raised texture that makes authentic dollars unique to touch. Automatic numbering machines print unique serial numbers on every dollar banknote. Each bill receives a different identification code recorded.
Check the UV signature on this batch.
Looks consistent with the golden standard. The hidden patterns are sharp. Freshly printed dollar sheets enter controlled drying chambers. Warm filtered air carefully removes moisture from the security inks. Temperature and humidity systems maintain perfect drying conditions.
We have an imperfection on line 4. Noted.
Noted. The rest are clear for packaging. Package scanned.
Data confirmed. Moving to storage.
Double-check the routing codes on the manifest, Agent.
Verified. All protocols met. We have final approval.
Cash handling machine has organized the crisp new bills automatically. The banknotes begin their journey across the economy as diverse people use the currency in daily life.